Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna play on Nether Games and I'm gonna tell you what Nether Games lobby looks like, what you could do there, and what are the features you need to use in Nether Games lobby. So as you can see, we are in the lobby. So there are few things in my inventory you can see. I'm gonna discuss about them today in today's video. So guys, you can see there is anvil, there is a poppy flower, teleporter slash compass, a purple thing, and a player head. These five things are mainly used in the skyblock or in the Minecraft lobby of Nether Games. Let's discuss about them very closely. So as you can see, there are these tall pillars. People in the skyblock in the lobby. You could see skywars. You could see bedwars. 800 people are playing, and then there is skyblock. So these things are there. You could click on the compass and do the same thing like I am showing you here. Let's get into it. So you could do this thing. This is for reporting player, like I am giving you example, like let me select this guy and then I'm gonna report him. Then I'm not gonna actually report him, just wanna show you what is here. You could even report them for advertising. A lot of things are here. You could report them and a lot of things you could do. You could also report someone for staff, and then you could go to utilities. Like you can see I'm wearing a boot, and then there are things you could buy or you could get from the crate key, which is just over here. I'm gonna talk about the crate key later or in another video, not in today's video. You need to wait for it. And then you could see this big lobby over here. The same thing you could do with compass. So you could also go to another lobbies with a compass, but you can't do that with normal UIs. Those big things in the corner, you can't do that. Like look, I am here at lobby 1. I was at lobby 5 for your information. And then you could see I am roaming around waiting for it to load. As you could see that a person just fall down. That is the glitch of Bedrock servers. No problem with that. Then you could just go to skyblock, like I'm gonna give you an example. You could also go back to the spawn by clicking back to spawn. That is quite easy, these are basic things. And then there is a purple thing which is called social menu. This, after you click on it, there are 3 interfaces: friend, guild and party. So now I am in friend interface. These are all my friends. 3 of my friends are online. Then there is guild. I am in a guild which is called battle. This is what you could see. And then as you guys can see, when I typed hi in the chat, it said battle hi. That is what you could do. Then I am going to party, create a party, very easy. Then I can invite one of my friends. Let's click on one of my invite. And then my friend is on the server, so I'm gonna invite him. A nomad hero, his name is, and he's on. He's just here. He's just gonna join party. He's new to the game, so yeah, he's quite new at this thing. And look, he has joined the party. And now we are gonna go over here and gonna show you when I go in skyblock. I'm waiting for him. I can't see him right now. Yeah, but he is in my party. I'm gonna show you. And then there is this option, setting, which you can use to allow friend request, people messaging you. And then there is like profile setting over here. Now would go to preference, and then you could also go to replace, which is made for legend rank people who have legend rank. They could see their previous matches. And then there is chat preference. You could go to guild chat if you have a team or you are in a party. You could go into party chat. And then I'm just roaming around trying to think of something I could show. Then, as I already told you, I have a boot on. That is what cosmetic does, and that is what the poppy flower does in your inventory. These were all the things you need in your is there in your inventory. And there is a ginormous Nether Games lobby island. There are these people, very big in size. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching it here. I'm gonna show you many more videos. Thanks for watching. Tata, bye bye.